Want to create TikTok videos that look polished and professional without downloading any extra editing apps? In 2025, you can do almost everything directly within TikTok itself. And today, I'm showing you the best editing tips to make your videos stand out using only the platform's built-in tools. The first tip is to use TikTok's trimming and splitting tools. You can cut your clips, remove unnecessary parts, and split longer videos into smaller sections right inside the app. This helps you keep your videos concise and engaging, which is crucial for retaining viewers' attention. Next, leverage TikTok's text and sticker features. Adding text overlays and stickers can emphasize key points, guide viewers, or create a more dynamic visual flow. You can also adjust the timing, so text appears at exactly the right moment to match the story or message. Another important tip is using transitions and effects. TikTok offers built-in transitions, filters, and effects that can elevate your content without any external software. Experiment with trending transitions or subtle effects to make your video visually appealing while keeping it authentic. Don't forget audio editing directly in TikTok. You can trim sounds, adjust volume, sync your clips with music, and even use TikTok's voiceover feature. Properly syncing audio with your visuals keeps viewers engaged and improves watch time. Finally, plan your clips and layout before recording. Even without an external app, thinking about your shots, angles, and pacing beforehand makes editing much easier. Combine all these tools to create smooth, professional-looking content that holds viewers' attention from start to finish. If these TikTok editing tips helped you, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss more tricks for creating amazing content in 2025. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.